Welcome to this stunning colonial home in Culpeper, Virginia, priced at $625,000. Offering 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 baths, and 2,468 square feet of beautifully designed living space. Step inside to discover modern updates with an open-concept kitchen. The heart of the home is this chef's dream kitchen, complete with elegant granite countertops and a large island ideal for entertaining. Unwind in the cozy family room, featuring a gas fireplace that's perfect for gatherings and relaxing evenings. Upstairs, the spacious main suite offers two walk-in closets and a large bathroom.